Samkhamti, along with the support of Kripa Foundation Shillong, the Meghalaya Aids Control Society and doctors of Bethany Hospital Shillong had organized a medical camp on the 14th of May 2022 at the Samkhamti Parking lot at Urkaliar, Shillong. The camp had catered to health needs of children, young people, adults and senior citizens of the area, where doctors of around 10 different departments had participated in the event. Further, the NHM and various pharmaceutical companies from across Shillong had contributed free medical aids in the form of medicines and testing kits to more than 230 people who had registered at the health camp today. Speaking to reporters, Sharat Walang of the Kripa Foundation De-Addiction Centre Shillong informed that a number of people had registered themselves for the medical camp, and the participation of medical practitioners and counsellors had contributed a lot towards medical assistance to the general public during the camp. On the menace of drugs, Sharat Walang informed that the next step is to visit the border areas of the state where infiltration is at its highest and the presence of social evils such as drugs and other intoxicants is at large, and also to work with various NGOs, especially in fighting against the menace of drugs in the state.
I would just like to say that this is the first of its kind of a medical camp. Then you have your HIV, your TB testing. So a lot of new comers, doctors or departments program, which we never expected, because kituki flyers that we initially sent kiton basic and then suddenly long specialized. So the turnout for pediatric it's amazing, because counsellors the ones that are floating behind us wearing white eye counselling program about drug de-addiction and everything like that. So the turnout has been great, and I'm sure that we will hit a target audience of more than 300 people. As of now, at roughly just 11:30, we've already crossed 100 people who have come and registered. So by 4, I think we should be hitting our target. So we didn't really have a minimum target initially. We'll have only 150 people, because but what has happened was the companies that have come forward, then Bethany Hospitals, then the doctors themselves, they connected us to medical representatives. So as you've seen the free pharmacy because there's a lot of free meds that is just out there for everyone. The response from the medical representatives as well has been really great. There is something that I've always wanted to do, the HIV testing in border areas, and also for drug users. That is something that I think border areas needed the most. So what we've done is, because there was a 2-year gap because of COVID, so this is a start. People will hear about it. So once we go to remote areas, in border areas, they will be able to accept us easier. So definitely the next bit we're going to do, definitely we'll do it with the trucker associations, where drug infiltration is the largest, and even HIV, right? Because brothels and all of that. So that will definitely be the next step forward. We've been very lucky with our partner NGOs like Kripa Foundation. We've had New Hope as well. So the next bit, when we tackle drug infiltration and drug addiction, we are definitely going to tie up with these NGOs as well, right? Be it Manbha, be it New Hope, New Life, Suncare. Definitely will tie up with them so that we can fight it collectively. Because I am sure Makiru, they have already mapped out where are the red zones, where are the orange zones. Kripa Foundation alone, we cannot do it. We need the help of others as well. So the fact that they have shown their support in this medical camp means that they're always going to be there for us as well. it was pretty last minute from my end, so I will not blame them. But yes, NHM sent medicines as well, and we are very happy to, we're grateful to NHM for, kila penbiang tiki medicines, and also we're very happy. So of course we did not go department wise and all, because we wanted to just do it together, right? The idea is to maximize his efforts, maximize our efforts. So we didn't really want to get government involved. It just so happened that NHM pada, we said that we ran short of a few medicines. Tinggal retail outlets and wholesale outlets also it wasn't available, so we requested them, and very nice of them. They came forward and we got it. We got quite a few sets of medicines.
The main organizer of the health camp, Sambor Lang Dengdo, expressed his gratitude to all the organizations and health institutes that have lent support towards the success of the medical camp held today at Samkhamti Parking lot in Shillong. Dengdo also said that apart from the good turnout of registered members of the public, the camp will also help in promoting the health sector, which aims at catering to medical needs of all sections of the society.
Ikaw siya ko aban ay ka jing sungo bas ka de ya ka Kripa Foundation ya ka Meghalaya Aids Control Society but di doctors of Bethany Hospital ka ka hard work jing kini siya kan team ini ting isli tang ki basu team up lang ki mo ni ni kwa even promote ya kani ka health sector kumangi long nakatuka lockdown tu macam senam abede vaccination mah covid vaccination ngiringi team up lang ibang government pengin yo era pengin ai free vaccination nang ko terpam jungi di habai di pada bakani program katana asko kapiang ka publicity nila ili abiang ko rimo basyarat di kemanangan ong yang kisu isini Urkaliar kaya sigi ka team jung basyarat di naga Kripa Foundation ka Max bagi doctors of Bethany Hospital